Today I'm going to show you how to make a Google form. The first thing you're going to do is click this button over here that opens up all the Google apps. Then you're going to look for forms. If it's not there, you'll have to click more in order to find it. There are preset options if you prefer, or you can just add a blank one and start from scratch. There's room for a title, and then you just start adding questions. And then you choose the type of question you want it to be, whether it's multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-down lists, multiple choice grid, checkbox grid, short answers, paragraphs. They're all good for different things. This one, let's say you want multiple choice question. So you got cheese is one answer. And then when you're done, you just add another question. You can have as few or as many questions as you prefer. You can also make them required questions. You can delete questions. You can duplicate questions. You can add videos, images. You can add different sections. The nice thing is that everything saves automatically. When you're done, you can also change the color palette. And when you're done, you just click send. You choose who you want to send it to, whether you want to send it as an email or a link. Fill everything out and send it. It's as simple as that. Then eventually, when you do end up getting responses, you just click here and it shows you all of the responses that you've gotten. You can even go so far as to create a spreadsheet. It's really easy and pretty straightforward. It's one of my favorite ways to create quizzes.